Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at how to calculate area of a square using its diagonal. Okay, so usually to calculate the area of a square, you need to know the length of the square. Remember, a square has all its four sides equal. So this side is length and this side is length. So area of a square is length multiplied by length, or length square. We know that. But how about a situation where the length is not given? Instead of having the length, you were given the diagonal. So the area of a square can be calculated using its diagonal. So what is the diagonal of a square? The diagonal of a square is a line that moves from one angle to the opposite angle, from this angle to the opposite angle. So a square has two equal diagonals. So if you are given the diagonal of a square, the formula you are going to use is area is equal to half multiplied by d squared, where d is the length of any of its diagonals. Remember, the diagonals are equal for a square. Okay, so when you are given the diagonals and you're expected to calculate the area of the square, you're not going to use length multiplied by length, because you're not given the length. You're going to use half multiplied by d squared. So let's use this formula to solve these two questions that we have here. The first question says, calculate the area of a square with diagonals 10 centimeter. So we are expected to calculate the area of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. We are going to apply this formula, not this formula. So solution, area is equal to half multiplied by d squared, where we are given our d to be equal to 10 centimeter. So on the formula, wherever we see d, we are going to put 10, okay? So this is equal to half multiplied by 10 square, okay? 10 square is 10 multiplied by 10, which is 100. So we have A is equal to half multiplied by 100. Now in mathematics, another word for multiplication is off. So we can say half of 100. And what is half of 100? Half of 100 is 50. Therefore, the area of this square is 50 centimeter square. Very simple, okay? So this is how to calculate the area of a square when you are given the diagonal. Let's look at the second example. We're expected to calculate the length of the diagonals of a square whose area is 72 centimeters square. So unlike the first example where we were told to calculate the area when given the diagonals, here we are told to calculate the diagonals when given the area, but we are still going to apply the same formula. Solution, area is equal to half multiplied by d squared. So what is our area? Our area was given to be 72 centimeter square. So where we see A, we are going to put 72. So we have 72 is equal to half multiplied by d squared. So we can rewrite this as 72 is equal to d squared all over 2. Okay? So d squared all over 2. This means we can cross multiply because the denominator of 72 is equal to 1, right? Okay, so we can cross multiply. D squared multiplied by 1 is going to give us d squared is equal to 72 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 144. Now to get the value of d, we are going to find the square root of both sides. So we are going to have square root of d squared is equal to square root of 144. Remember, to cancel out square, we introduce the opposite of square, which is square root. So square root is going to cancel out square. So we have d is equal to square root of 144 is equal to 12. So our diagonals are of length 12 centimeters. Very simple. So if you have any question where you're expected to calculate the area, but instead of having the length, you are given the diagonal, you are not expected to use area is equal to length multiplied by length. If you try that, you're going to get a wrong answer. You're expected to use area is equal to half multiplied by d squared. Hope that is simple. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.